Yeah, Chopper Music, NSG, CP Collab, you already know. You already know, 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 you already know that my niggas getting dough. I said you already know that my niggas finna blow. I said you already know that my niggas getting dough. I said you already know that my niggas finna blow. Okay, I don't get mad, I just get money, and I just laugh, cause you niggas funny. Yeah, I get cash, but you can't get it from me. Catch me on the app, still serving junkies. Idlewild made me, what you can't tell. Just because a nigga fresh and I make sales, ain't a fucking product that I can't sell. Stack it up, just in case I gotta make bail. Hydraulic living, I got my ups and downs. That's my way of living, I don't fuck around. Player hating ass niggas don't come around. Player hating ass niggas, they be in my town, talking down like they ain't doing bad. When it comes to the mall, I just throw it in a bag, like that nigga Fab. We could get it in, I don't know about you, but I be hustling, yeah. You already know, 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 you already know that my niggas getting dough. I said you already know that my niggas finna blow. I said you already know that my niggas getting dough. I said you already know that my niggas finna blow. Okay,
Rise in that CCP and cop heavy. This shit is unreal, y'all niggas is not ready. The flow is undeniable, I am not reliable in the booth, spitting verses like I'm reading the Bible.
hold up. Man, y'all is not fucking
Pop this
Big
right
E,
here, man.
Crazo,
Stop playing.
CP, NSG, Skinny Boy, of course, man. We doing this shit big, man. Cuz kick that shit for they ass.
Uprise in that CCP and cop heavy. This shit is unreal, y'all niggas is not ready. The flow is undeniable, I am not reliable in the booth, spitting verses like I'm reading the Bible. Serving chains in the alley, bought my bread like my daddy, spitting that cold like I'm Natalie. You can call it Brother Bradley. I got seeds to feed, my criminal past won't let me leave. Hit them with the chopper, make that ass bleed. I don't mean to be like that, the world got me like that. It ain't safe out here no more, get your cap built. Everybody out for self, it don't matter how they get it. If they don't, I conceal it, and I'm coming to steal it. Clean they pockets like a skillet, make them bitch niggas feel it. Keep them heaters on deck, don't make a nigga use it. I'm trying to get my life right, making this bread and music. I'm trying to get my life right, making this bread and music.
You already know, 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 you already know that my niggas getting dough. I said you already know that my niggas finna blow. I said you already know that my niggas getting dough. I said you already know that my niggas finna blow. Okay,
What the fuck? Niggas won't roll with the guard. Say a nigga hard, I pull his whole card. B got a nigga out spitting like this. Fuck y'all haters, y'all can suck my dick. Try to fuck with me, nigga, pick the wrong one. Next time, nigga, I'ma go get a gun. Nigga just might get life for the shit. Life flip mode, I'm dangerous. Prime on the hustle, know how to do it. Plugs on the man, so I run right through it. Put the shit down, so I know I'm the truth. I could even hang with the red or the blues. Oh shit, who cooked that? Make a motherfucker on the block come back 2 or 3, maybe 4 times. Make a motherfucker fall in love with mine. Legend of my own, fight like Mike. Ain't shit fair when you rollin' these dice. Shout out to my fucking real niggas. Got 20 on the kill if you ill, nigga. Talk about this, I ain't got that. I already told you, man, it wasn't my pack. Come on, cuz, man, you gotta get back. Other niggas out here trying to get stacked.
you already know, 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 nigga.